सो नमस्कार। ईट स्लीप ड्रिंक क्रिकेट में सबका स्वागत है। और अगर ये लाइव टेलीकास्ट होता तो अगर व्यूअर्स जुड़े होते तो दे वुड हैव बीन डिसअपॉइंटेड, क्योंकि हम बार बार पोस्टपोन करते जा रहे हैं। अब वो क्यों पोस्टपोन करते जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया कहीं से आई मीन जस्ट पुल्ड ऑफ समथिंग इनक्रेडिबल एज यूजुअल। तो पहले तो भास्कर जी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को प्रणाम करने से पहले मैं आपको सल्यूट करता हूँ कि इस आदमी ने पहले ही बोला था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ निकालेगा। मुझे तो चवन्नी का भरोसा नहीं था ऑस्ट्रेलिया पे कि इतनी बॉलिंग नहीं है करके।
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable.
अनबिलीवेबल।
I
एंड
mean,
कोई भी मतलब
no Hazelwood, no Mitch Marsh, no Cummins, and then you go and chase 350. This is insane, man. This is just crazy to believe.
ये आ गए हमारे स्टार परफॉर्मर मिस्टर अभिजीत दास दत्त पटनायक भी आ गए। भाई सब मिलके ऐसे ऐसे करो, भास्कर को ऐसे ऐसे करो। जिन्होंने
क्यों?
बिल्कुल परफेक्टली बोला था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया भाई निकाल लेगा कुछ ना कुछ कर, नॉट फॉर दिस मैच, ही सेड फॉर द एंटायर सीरीज आल्सो दे नो हाउ टू डू इट करके। क्या बात है भाई।
Eh,
मतलब मैं
but
तो
I'm
फैन
sure.
बन गया
पता नहीं,
आज ये।
I don't know whether Bhaskar sir will tell us honestly. But when England touched 350, I don't know whether Bhaskar still believes that this is going to be changeable. I don't know. Then Bhaskar has to tell us.
या बिल्कुल।
Because Australia are missing their star bowlers, but most of the star batsmen are still there. Okay, and Mitchell Marsh, I don't think is a really that high quality a batsman that they're going to be really missing him. They have Travis Head, they have
क्या
Steven Smith,
बात कर
they
रहे
have
हो?
Labuschagne, and they
मार्श
have
के लिए ऐसा बोल रहे हो? अरे मार्श, मार्श क्या खेलता है यार, व्हाइट बॉल का
no, no, he's a
चैंप को
no,
ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए।
no, no. No, that's one thing about white ball is something like, but in ODI cricket, you just don't need white ball hitters. You need people who can score hundreds, like Josh English, Alex Carey, even what do you call
आज फर्स्ट
Glenn Maxwell
नहीं
coming in
नहीं,
at
सुन लीजिए
seven
सुन लीजिए।
has got a double century.
नहीं नहीं, आज फर्स्ट ओडीआई सेंचुरी है जॉश इंग्लिश का। फर्स्ट है।
And
फर्स्ट है।
आज तो
हाँ।
भास्कर साहब जो बोले सुन लो यार, अभी ऑप्शन नहीं है आज.
नहीं
नहीं नहीं,
नहीं
मैं
मेरी
सुनने
बात
को
वो
तैयार
नहीं है.
हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आवर थॉट प्रोसेस वाज कि ये पूरा, इवन बॉलर में भी एबॉट को नहीं खिलाया इन लोगों ने। इन्होंने किसी और को ही खिलाया जो डेरी हस करके किसी को तो लेके आया।
हम्म.
बट मैं तो हाथ जोड़ लिया भाई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को कुछ भी कर सकते हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया कुछ भी कर सकता है। चलो एनीवे, सो वेलकम भास्कर, अमित और अभिजीत, आप तीनों को आई मीन आई रियली वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड आज का जो मेन टॉपिक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जीत गया मतलब वेरी गुड, आई मीन आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट, टूर्नामेंट सॉलिड हो गया। विल कम बैक टू द थिंग कि हाउ दिस टूर्नामेंट इज सेट अप। बट हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा यही की है कि जो मतलब इंडिया यूट्यूबर्स, पाकिस्तान यूट्यूबर, दुबई यूट्यूबर, यूएस यूट्यूबर, हर यूट्यूबर जो क्रिकेट को फॉलो कर रहा है उसका एक ही काम है, इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच का क्या होगा करके। तो भास्कर, सिंस आपने मतलब इतना सॉलिड प्रिडिक्शन ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए लगाया, तो आप ही से शुरू करेंगे, बिल्कुल देवानंद के स्टाइल में। हमें बताएं इंडिया पाकिस्तान के बारे में, आप प्रीव्यू क्या दे रहे हैं? व्हाट इज योर प्रीव्यू?
Uh, the first preview is mainly we need to make sure that we have experienced players and people who can really go all the way. तो वही मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि should we take a punt with Pant, क्योंकि he is a player who can score hundreds. We have seen it. अब उसका white ball record अच्छा नहीं है मुझे पता है. But the thing is, he is a proper world class batsman, and that's one thing we are lacking in the lower middle order. We like ODI, like T20s, में Akshar Patel and Ravindra Jadeja can get you those runs 20, 30s. But in ODI cricket, you really need players who can hit hundreds. I think that's one thing we are lacking in the lower middle order. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि do we really need Akshar Patel and Jadeja both playing? मेरा वो एक ही क्वेश्चन है. And I don't think we should leave out Kuldeep Yadav and go for Varun Chakravarti. मुझे लगता है they should play Kuldeep. And I think, of course, Rohit Sharma thinks uh, very much like what I think. Win the toss, bat first. Rajiv.
ओके, सो विल डिस्कस द टीम कॉम्बिनेशन।
Mm-hmm.
अमित, आपके पास आता हूँ, आप क्या मतलब ओपनिंग कमेंट्स दें इंडिया पाकिस्तान, ऑफ फील्ड न्यूज भी आपसे ही लेंगे, तो एक ओपनिंग कमेंट तो दें आप।
So I think opening comments के sense में, Rajiv, I would say that I am also of the favor that you win the toss and bat first. Although I strongly believe, from what I understand and what I've heard, is that the pitch is not going to be as what we saw in the first match against Bangladesh. So there is going to be some additional rolling, some additional curating. We will see a little bit more of the batting opportunity there, given that people coming are going to really wanting to see that kind of a tough contest. So we will definitely not see the same very slow wicket. Although as the game progresses, the chances of the wicket getting slower is a little more, which then gives even more benefit to the team batting first. So the toss will play a crucial role as far as tomorrow is concerned. If the teams with bat first end up posting 275 plus, it is going to be a difficult task for the other team, irrespective of whoever bats second. Rajiv.
राइट। सो अभिजीत, आप पे आते हैं। आपने तो गदर मचा रखा है फेसबुक में, मतलब अपने पोस्ट में। मैं उन बातों को दोहराना नहीं चाहता कि किस तरीके से आप खिल्ली उड़ा रहे हैं पाकिस्तान और इवन बांग्लादेश का भी। तो आप मतलब यू नो नो लव इज लॉस्ट, बट एनीवेज, सो आप अपना ओपनिंग कमेंट दें, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन?
Yeah, so I think last podcast I had said that Pakistan may not make it to the semis, will not make it to the semis, and but that was based on the fact that how the Pakistan team has been out. Let's not forget, आज जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने चेस किया, इसी सेम पिच में पाकिस्तान भी कुछ दिन पहले 360 चेस किया था। जॉश इंग्लिश का हाईएस्ट ओडीआई स्कोर टिल डेट was 65. Today he made 100 something, very comfortably. This is the same England team which India spanked 6-1, including all white balls. Basically, Pakistan ने क्या किया है? What happens as a team when you are not doing great, and even India also, when we were not doing great in cricket many years ago, we used to make flat tracks. Flat tracks जब आप बनाते हो तो क्या करता है, दोनों टीम का bowling neutralize हो जाता है. So then becomes a batting lineup versus batting lineup game, and then it's between the two batting lineups. So that's the pitch in Lahore, but Karachi is not that, Dubai is not that. And when Pakistan come to Dubai, their bowling will gain more teeth than what it had in Pakistan so far the last 1 month, because majority matches they were playing in Lahore only. I think 1 or 2 matches they played in Karachi, they lost both. Although the bowling got more teeth in Karachi than in Lahore. So Dubai tomorrow, their bowling will have more teeth. And as I say, India doesn't have any problem in white ball cricket. There is a reason why we are number one, and we've been dominating white ball both formats for a long time. The only problem we have is a top order collapse, and top order collapse very likely may happen tomorrow also, because suddenly Dubai, India, Pakistan, the entire atmosphere is going to be different. The moment Indian top order comes under a bit of pressure, the same Shaheen Shah Afridi, who's barely taken wickets the last month. In fact, Naseem Shah didn't pick a single wicket versus in the tri-series, apart from the last 2 games versus New Zealand, he started taking wickets. Suddenly, those two bowlers will become deadly tomorrow. So tomorrow's pitch, I think what Amit just now said, 260, 270 is going to be a very good total, whosoever bats first. Now we know India's batting is brittle. India's top order is brittle. India's middle order is actually better off than the top order. Pakistan's entire batting order is brittle. They have only Babar who plays Test cricket. Even in Champions Trophy also Babar plays Test cricket, so he will play like that. So it will be a batting between the two bowling lineups, and I don't agree with Bhaski that we have to take Rishabh Pant compromising a bowler. There's a reason why we have taken this squad out there. We want variety in our bowling. We will want the flexibility which Akshar Patel or a Jadeja gives them, because you drop a bowler, let's say a half bowler, whatever, just to take a batsman, and then on a pitch, Rishabh Pant is batting after a long time. He gets one good ball, he goes out. आपका तुरंत एक advantage चला गया है. So I would say India play the same team or Varun Chakravarti in place of Kuldeep. That's not a bad choice. Varun has been in scintillating form, and then we see how it goes. But yeah, it won't be as easy a match as it should be based on paper, and that is primarily because none of us trust our top order batting. Rajiv.
Great. No, super comments, man. बहुत बढ़िया बोला. So I'm dividing this into 3 parts. So I'll go to Bhaski on the team selection, specifically on India team selection. I'm happy to take Pakistan team selection. And then Abhijit, I'll come to you how Gigi thinks, and will he play Varun Chakravarti, how he thinks. I think you understand, in a way, I think you understand Gigi the best. And offline news ke liye, I'm taking Amit also into this thing, ki how this is entire thing playing, because see, the pressure value on India is lesser than पाकिस्तान, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान के लिए वर्चुअली कल नॉकआउट है, इंडिया के लिए नॉकआउट नहीं है कल. इट्स स्टिल इन द रेस, सो वो प्रेशर कम है इंडिया पे. बट द वन थिंग व्हिच इज हेल्पिंग पाकिस्तान इज इट इज नॉट इन पाकिस्तान, इट इज इन दुबई. सो थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइफ में उनके पास ये रहेगा। एंड देन जो नॉर्मल फ्लिक्स होके जो 6-4-6 जा रहा था न्यूजीलैंड के साथ, दुबई बीइंग सच अ बिग स्टेडियम, उनको थोड़ा सा मतलब उनके बॉलर्स को थोड़ा तो, इवन दोस खुशदिल शाह और समबडी विल गेट सम बाइट आई थिंक, मतलब उनको थोड़ा दे विल गेट सम परचेज, इवन इफ द परचेज इज नॉट देयर, एटलीस्ट इतने पिटेंगे नहीं जितना उस दिन पिट रहे थे वो लोग। सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स आई एम सेइंग। सो फर्स्ट आई विल गो टू अमित। अमित, आप पहले ऑफलाइन न्यूज दीजिए, आपने मतलब you had some real
So offline,
comic news,
so
but what I really want to know is how this pressure value पे आप जरा वो भी एक बार झलक डालें।
so I think देखो, प्रेशर वैल्यू लाइक यू राइटली सेड, पाकिस्तान मीडिया चाहे कितना भी बोले कि हमारे लिए देयर इज नथिंग टू लूज एक्सेट्रा, दैट इज ऑल नॉनसेंस, बिकॉज दे हैव एवरीथिंग टू लूज. And the amount of pressure that they are playing under, given that fact that they are hosts and they are likely to get out of the tournament if they lose, is just immense. So it's pretty fair. Offline news, in a sense, a couple of things. It's come to this level that Pakistani players have even stopped trusting their own media and their own fans, that they have publicly gone and made a request in front of a few channels to say that we are requesting if you can please support us because we need this. So the overall atmosphere in the team is pretty down right now. I mean, there is no doubt about it. Secondly, there is a lot of mixed split decision in the team. So that's one of the big offline news that I want to give you, is that the selection of Imamul Haq was actually being debated as far as their internal team was concerned. Now there are some people. So Azhar Mahmood, your Akib Javed, and then there is this another gentleman who are basically in the selection committee. That is Asad, the gentleman who was the umpire there once upon a time. I'm forgetting his name. So Akib Javed was very much in favor of bringing in Imamul Haq as an opener. But interestingly, Azhar Mahmood was actually wanting to bring a spinner instead of a replacement. And when you go and look at the ICC rules, the like-to-like replacement only works as far as the concussion rule is concerned. But interestingly, if a player is being sacrificed and you need to bring in somebody because of injury, they had an option to actually bring in a spinner. So the chances of Sajid or Numan, or there was another guy who they were looking for, I'm forgetting his name, who recently played in South Africa also. Between the three, they were actually planning to bring one of them, which Azhar Mahmood was very keen. But the decision was overruled. And that is why you see Imamul Haq. Now, the other inside news with Pakistan is that they are now debating whether Imamul Haq should play or they should open with Usman Khan. And then it becomes a complete disaster, because if you bring in Imamul Haq as a replacement and then play Usman Khan, they are going to come under further flack. So they are in a bit of a complete mess. That is why the team is not yet announced. So that is one interesting news that I can give you as far as the offline, like you rightly say, is concerned. And the second interesting offline news I already gave you, that Mr. Mohsin Naqvi has actually sold off his VIP box for $95 million. So already the money of Dubai is not going to Pakistan as a full gate money. So that's a separate debate. They're officially launching a complaint now. And he was being given a separate box of 30 people because he's the host of the championship and he's the ruling cricketing board's president. But apparently, to make money, he has sold off that box and he's going to watch the match from the stands. So I think that should be enough offline dope for you, Rajiv. Over to you.
सही है। नहीं एक्चुअली इस ये जो वीआईपी टिकट वाला चीज है, ये इंडिया मीडिया में कोई नहीं बोल रहा, पाकिस्तान मीडिया ही बोल रहा है। उनका ही मीडिया उनको उनकी ले
अच्छा,
रहा है, मतलब अनबिलीवेबल है। बट दिस उस्मान खान थिंग, आई ब्रिंग इट टू दैट सिलेक्शन थिंग व्हेन आई स्पीक। बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट है। बट थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द ऑफलाइन न्यूज। आई थिंक द प्रेशर इज डेफिनेटली ऑन पाकिस्तान, सो वो तो बात करेंगे।
sure.
सो भास्कर, मैं अभी आपको लेके आ रहा हूँ एंड देन आई गेट अभिजीत ऑल्सो इन। आप इंडिया के आप पंत की बात कर रहे थे, सो बी मतलब आपका सिलेक्शन कैसा होगा? हाउ डू यू थिंक यू वांट टू पुट द सिलेक्शन ऑफ इंडिया?
See, I think it's going to be the same team. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी चेंज होने वाला है, because knowing Rohit Sharma, I think he would want to go with the same team. कुछ भी चेंज होने वाला नहीं है as far as I'm concerned. But I would personally want a little bit more of depth in batting in terms of quality. वो मेरे को बहुत सालों से लग रहा है कि we lack, and the moment we stop winning ICC tournaments, especially in ODI cricket, is when we started having problems in the lower middle order. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So, but I think it's going to be the same team. कुछ भी change होने वाला नहीं है. Harshit Rana is going to play, Shami is going to play, Kuldeep is going to play, and the rest of the team we all know. Top 7 and top 8. It's going to be Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel. I don't see any changes because having won the match, and this was a team that was almost the same team was playing against England. So I think they're going to go with the same team. Rajiv.
So there's one news which is coming in, and आप please give your comments on this one कि वरुण चक्रवर्ती को बहुत मतलब there is a big talk क्योंकि while कुलदीप is doing his job वो फिर भी वो भी लेफ्ट हैंडर ही है, मतलब अक्षर और जडेजा खेल रहे हैं, तो वरुण चक्रवर्ती को लेके आना करेक्ट रहेगा कि नहीं, बिकॉज he has that variety करके.
Yeah, but the thing is, ODI cricket at 10 overs, I think Varun Chakravarti has played a couple of ODIs. He's got a brilliant list A record, mind you. He's got a list A average of almost 14, less than like 15. So that's unbelievable. But I think looking at the magnitude and the kind of thrashing Varun got at the hands of Pakistan last time, I think they would go with experience. And coming in a big match, I think it's going to be the same team. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कुछ major changes होने वाला है.
And Rajiv, to Bhaskar's point, it makes sense because if you bring in Varun, you're practically having all the three of very similar bowling style. Yes, two of them bowl left-handed, but the kind of bowling is set. You don't have a genuine spinner. Kuldeep is a genuine turner of the ball, and if the pitch gets you some turn, then Jadeja and Akshar probably may not be that mystery thing that Kuldeep brings to the table because of his natural ability to be a wrist spinner with some variety. So that part comes out if you bring in Varun. That's what I think. But over to you.
Yeah. No, so it's a call which the management has to take, and that is why I'm bringing Avijit here. Avijit freeze हो गए. अभिजीत आप सुन पा रहे हैं आप? अरे बाप रे, वो ऐसे ही मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे करके ऐसे हो गए. ठीक, अभिजीत फ्रीज हो गए. ठीक है, तो फिर भास्कर आप okay, so let me also bring in one more point here. Now, so this is the inside news. Amit, आप confirm कर सकते हैं. So the thing why Arshdeep did not play the Bangladesh match was he was dehydrated. He was
injured. Yes, the news is correct.
Dehydrated.
He was injured and he was not 100% fit.
Correct.
That is why
they
he
wanted
basically
to
was
bring
rested.
in Arshdeep. They wanted to play him because of the left hand this thing which he gets in. तो लेकिन अभी हुआ यह है कि बांग्लादेश के साथ शमी और हर्षित राणा प्लेड सॉलिडली बॉलिंग किया, मतलब अच्छा बॉलिंग किया. देयर इज नो रीजन टू ड्रॉप देम. तो अर्शदीप आएगा नहीं आएगा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
नहीं आएगा. देखो, इट्स आई
आप ले
एग्री
लीजिए, उसके बाद भास्कर को बोलो.
with the performance there is no substitute for performance. So अगर कोई परफॉर्म करके चल रहा है and if he's on that spree, I don't think he should be replaced. But over to Bhaskar.
See, even against England, Arshdeep came in only for the last ODI. So this is the team they've been looking at. If you see with Jadeja and Hardik and Akshar, I think the team that played against Bangladesh is more or less the first choice 11 which Rohit Sharma would want to go in with. Even against England, they kept playing the same team. Only for the last ODI, I think they brought in Arshdeep. So I don't think, but there was some news before the Bangladesh match that they might want to play Washington Sundar ahead of Jadeja. But I don't think that's going to happen in a big game like tomorrow. And I think 99% it's going to be the same team. Because this was a team that was playing consistently against England. अब फर्स्ट ODI भी वही टीम खेला जब इंडिया वन.
नहीं, मैं आपको सॉरी आई एम कटिंग यू ऑफ, लेकिन मैं एक चीज बता रहा हूँ. एंड नाउ आई विल एक्चुअली ब्रिंग इन अभिजीत ओनली. सो हमारा डिस्कशन ये हो रहा था. सो भास्कर इज सेइंग मेजरली एक ही टीम रहेगा. ही इज जस्ट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट दैट वन क्वालिटी बैटर व्हिच प्रोबेबली इंडिया इज मिसिंग. सो फेयर एनफ, दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट. I also asked whether Arshdeep will play because one news was Arshdeep was dehydrated. And a couple of players actually were dehydrated in Dubai. Suddenly, मौसम ठीक था, यहाँ से आप बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ it was really energy sapping conditions में चले गए. So now I think it should be okay. But now the question is, will they bring Arshdeep? That's one point. Second, but Shami and Harshit has bowled well. Second, Kuldeep की बात हो गई, वरुण को लेके आएंगे कि नहीं? So what do you think GG is thinking? What will he do something different? What is your viewpoint on that?
So I think the Kuldeep versus Varun debate will be dependent on how many left-handers they see from the Pakistan team who will come out to bat tomorrow. If it's primarily a right-hander batting lineup, they may continue with Kuldeep. बट अगर उसमें उनको दिखता है कि टॉप ऑर्डर में नहीं, दो तीन लेफ्ट हैंडर्स आने वाले हैं, देन आई थिंक वरुण हैज अ चांस, outside chance of making it to the. I think that would be the criteria. But the good thing is that we here are talking about people from the bench who can replace, and it's very difficult to replace a Kuldeep Yadav. It's very difficult to replace a Harshit Rana. How do you replace a Harshit Rana? Every match he's played, apart from one Test match, every other match he's taken bunch of wickets, 2-3 wickets. Not just that, all 2-3 wickets are top order wickets, literally blue chip wickets वो लेता है. And then अक्सर वो एक ओवर में 2-3 विकेट लेके पूरा मैच घुमा देता है. It is very harsh to drop him. So, but then how we are rich with those choices. It's a fact that Arshdeep is an equally good bowler, and he has a decent record versus Pakistan also in the couple of matches which he's played Pakistan. So it's a close call. But knowing Gautam Gambhir, I think Harshit Rana will play. If he's fit, Harshit Rana is definitely playing. He's an X factor. He's a big, tall, burly lad who charges in, who doesn't mind a bouncer hitting on the head and all that. So, he's a very different type of character. So I think Harshit Rana definitely is going to play. The only other difference is that one, that Varun versus Kuldeep. But it's a very marginal. I don't think overall result में ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा whether Varun plays or Kuldeep plays. Rajiv.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point कि कुलदीप को क्यों रिप्लेस करोगे? जब वो इतना अच्छा खेलता है तो फिर उसको रिप्लेस करने की क्या जरूरत है? That's a good point. बट वही है, मतलब सोच का ही, मतलब मैनेजमेंट का डिसीजन है. बट आई टेल यू वन थिंग, सी द स्क्वायर ना, वहाँ पे 9 पिच, दिस इज व्हाट आई लर्नड, इट्स 9 पिचेस टुगेदर. सो इट्स वन ऑफ द थर्ड पिच और द फोर्थ पिच व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड. अब उसमें बिल्कुल घास सफाट है, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं. सो बॉल ऐसे टकरा टकरा के जब जाएगा ना, it'll become good for reverse swing towards the 40th over or something. So Harshit Rana, Shami are really good exponents of this thing. And Harshit Rana has that capability to bang in the ball and get in. मैं एक चीज जो पाकिस्तान के सिलेक्शन व्यू पॉइंट से मैं एक चीज बोल सकता हूँ कि it would help them to get Usman Khan, play him at the top, play this guy इमाम उल हक को तो आपने ले लिया है. उसको लेने का वजह ही यही था कि उसको ओपनिंग में आपको, यू वांट टू गेट अ प्रॉपर ओपनर देयर, सो देयर इज नो डिबेट ही नहीं है. And Babar coming at one down. This guy Tayyab Tahir doesn't seem anything. Kushdil ko they have to play. One, he played decently in the match against New Zealand. Second, he is the spin option also. Part timer Salman Aga और इसको ही करना है. So they don't have a choice. And then because the reverse swing is there, the three pacers will also play. So मतलब पाकिस्तान को तो they will depend on Shaheen Shah Afridi to get top 2-3 wickets. तभी मैच बनेगा. अगर 2 विकेट टिक गया 10-15 ओवर तक इंडिया का, then they will not be in the
So
contest.
Rajiv,
So हाँ जी
so
बोलिए.
Rajiv, sorry to interrupt, but so are you saying that you debut Usman Khan tomorrow right in front of India in the Champions Trophy make or break go home scenario? It's his
Yeah,
debut.
yeah, because Tayyab Tahir is not, he is just not fitting in the bill only. वो 5 या 6 पे आ रहा है आपके. तो आप उसका उसका रोल क्या है? उस्मान खान को तो आप, यू आर टेकिंग हिम बिकॉज सी व्हाट वाज द आइडिया. सईम अयूब था द गाय who was playing, मतलब playing very quickly, giving that start. Now Usman Khan is the only guy who probably has this thing. He's like that Sam Mentos जो, मतलब वो मेलबर्न में जो बंदा आया था. It's just a chance you're taking. Tayyab Tahir
No,
has.
I agree with
आई
you.
एम
I'm
जस्ट
not
सेइंग कि
saying that.
उनके
But
लिए
I'm
ये एक
saying,
ऑप्शन है.
are the
क्या
are the
करेंगे नहीं
selectors
पता.
that bold enough to give a debut to a guy in an India Pakistan Champions Trophy make or break scenario? That's a question I'm saying. I agree with you. It makes a lot of sense to bring Usman Khan because it's a good combination. If he gets going and if he dispatches the bowlers here and there in the park, it will reduce the pressure of Babar Azam. No doubt about that. And Imam Ullah is coming riding on the back of a century that he has just scored in the first class before he's come to this team. So I agree with you. I'm just asking a question. That do you think it's Pakistani selectors are bold enough to take that kind of a bet?
नहीं है. नहीं है, दे आर नॉट बोल्ड इनफ. नहीं है, वो लोग यही करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक इंडिया नोज देम. सी द अदर थिंग, वी हैड अ चैट एंड आई एम ब्रिंगिंग इन भास्कर नाउ एंड अभिजीत, सो यू टू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, इज द हार्दिक पांड्या फैक्टर. Hardik Pandya is a gun batter, bowler, fielder, everything. His sheer presence in against Pakistan is well known. मतलब वो बंदा जीता मरता पाकिस्तान के लिए ही है. मतलब he is that guy, विराट कोहली जैसा. He is the guy who brings in his best against Pakistan. And more than his batting, his bowling is the one which is dangerous for Pakistan. उसने मतलब शॉर्ट बॉल करके काफी विकेट्स निकाला उन लोगों के, right? सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि हार्दिक पांड्या, विल इट हेल्प कि अक्षर, मतलब अगर एक चांस पड़े हार्दिक को थोड़ा ऊपर लेके आए? बिकॉज सी वन ऑफ द डिस्कशन पॉइंट्स बोथ यू एंड अभिजीत एंड भास्कर, आप दोनों के बीच में ये हुआ था कि हार्दिक वो बैटिंग नहीं कर पा रहा करके, बट वो 7 पे चला गया, अभी 6-7 पे चला गया है, तो क्या ही बैटिंग करेगा? ही नीड्स टाइम ना, नो ही इज नॉट द सेम काइंड ऑफ बैटर पहले जैसा डे बॉल वन से मारेगा करके। भास्कर आपको पहले लेता हूँ, देन अभिजीत कैन कम इन।
See, Hardik at 7 gives us that cushion because he's a player who can, especially when we are chasing, suppose it's a close game, he has the maturity to see us through. Wahin par probably we've still not seen that kind of high like quality maturity from say Shreyas Iyer or even KL Rahul hasn't done enough at that what do you call at those numbers to really play kind of knocks probably earlier 6-7 years 5-6-7 years to play. So I think Hardik Pandya at number 7 gives them that freedom to go after the bowling earlier. So इसके लिए वो लोग अक्षर पटेल को भेजते हैं ताकि हार्दिक is still there. In case of a crisis, he can score fast and he can also like play sensibly. He is one player who will not throw it away, playing a loose shot. Or most of his shots are like if he's trying to go for a big one, he might get out. But I think having him down, even during the T20 World Cup, you remember Shivam Dubey was playing ahead of uh, Hardik Pandya. So I think they want to have, even Rohit Sharma probably wants that security of having Hardik down the order. So मुझे लगता है, I don't think Hardik is going to be promoted. Akshar might play at 5 or the situation demands KL Rahul might play at 5. But I don't see Hardik Pandya at 7 and Jadeja at 8 being disturbed. Rajiv.
राइट, राइट अभिजीत, हार्दिक को यू ऑलवेज ट्रीट हार्दिक लाइक दैट ही इज योर गन एवरी टाइम, ही इज योर पैक का जोकर वही है आपके लिए, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आई मीन हाउ बिग अ फैक्टर इज हार्दिक पांड्या इन दिस मैच?
राजीव, मेरा वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया, बट कैन यू हियर मी ऑन ऑडियो?
या वी कैन हियर यू।
Okay, so I'll continue this way. So I think Hardik is one of the first names on this team sheet. You know, when we make our one-day 11, without Hardik Pandya, there's no team which we have. So Hardik is definitely our gun player. He is our all-purpose player there. So definitely Hardik is there. Would he come up the order? No. I think the entire idea of Akshar Patel up the order is because we don't have a left-hander up the order. Agar suppose we had a Yashasvi Jaiswal or a Rishabh Pant up the order, then Hardik would have been one place above and Akshar may have been one place below. So definitely Hardik is won't be pushed up the order. Hardik is a gun player, as I said there. But then I think tomorrow, the match is going to be. It won't be about India tomorrow. It will be about Pakistan tomorrow. You have to go back to the 2021 World Cup, T20 World Cup, जब India पहला मैच पाकिस्तान से आ रहा था, and India had to play New Zealand to just survive in the competition. Tomorrow will be that day for Pakistan, and it will be much tougher. They are the hosts. Okay, they are not making money. Their stadiums are going empty. They themselves are, as a team, there are lots of rumors about the team, the combination. If they lose tomorrow, they'll be a laughing stock because they themselves made a lot of noise why India is not coming there to play. And if they themselves lose tomorrow, they'll be a big joke. In fact, कल मुझे लगता है कल का मैच इंडिया will edge away. India won't have a convincing win. India will just about edge away. Indians will not be too happy with India's performance, but India will be too happy reading the news which comes from Pakistan after that. Rajiv.
ये लास्ट वाला पंच अच्छा था। Indians will not be happy with India's performance, but they will be happy to read Pakistan news the next day. ये सही है यार। तो अमित, आप क्या सोचते हैं, मतलब what is the, I mean, we are coming to conclude this discussion and I want 2-3 minutes to spend on the other teams also. So आप क्या सोचते हैं, मतलब what do you think, where are we going? I mean, do you think India is going to win this match?
Oh yeah, definitely, no doubt about that. And like I said, this is a very different scenario from the earlier Champions Trophies or the World Cups, where there was some element of a balance and that surprise element that Pakistan could bring to the table. All the media discussions you see today, all the discussions on channels are talking about the 2017 scenario. But we have to understand the caliber of the people in the team in 2017 for a comeback. You had Shoaib Malik, you had Mohammad Hafiz, you had Mohammad Amir, who was at its peak. Show me one player in today's Pakistan team who has a capability to actually turn it around. I mean, if you are going to give me the name of Salman Agha, then probably that just seals the deal for me. So, that balance today I don't see. And see, we can keep talking about uncertainties, but then you have to also look at some logic and fact which are there in front of you on the table. And at this point of time, there is no way that India is going to lose tomorrow.
Yeah, fair enough. I think what really happens is that one issue with 2017 or even now, even so 2021 team which played in Dubai, which I think was the strongest white ball Pakistan team in a post-COVID environment, if you say, is the same team continuing. It doesn't have that kind of thing. Bowling में batting तो और भी इधर उधर हो गया. Babar Rizwan is still being spoken about and all. So there has to be some changes in the combination. I mean आपको तो यही हारिस रौफ, यही शाहीन शाह अफरीदी, यही नसीम शाह. So थोड़ा मतलब I think there is a problem there. So so that शाहीन शाह अफरीदी of 2021 to 2025 बदल गया है. He doesn't have the same zip actually. So he depends. अगर pitch assist करेगा तो शाहीन शाह अफरीदी कुछ करेगा, खुद से नहीं करने वाला. So that's the whole
Have
point.
you seen Haris Rauf bowl? Haris Rauf, have you
Yeah,
seen him bowl?
he's just bowling.
He is still injured. He's still not 100%
Yeah,
fit.
he's not there.
To see his release, he's releasing the ball at least a little before his full run up and full flow. That's a sign that there is a side strain. You can actually see that when you
नहीं,
see
and
him
they
bowl.
picked.
Not a
I
good sign.
mean, पाकिस्तान का सिलेक्शन इतना बुरा है कि फकर जमान was injured, उसको खिलाया ना. That was, I mean, absolute. मतलब क्या सोच रहे थे, क्या
बिल्कुल.
मालूम. Yeah, anyway, so भास्कर आपके पास आता हूँ. कल आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? How do you think? Where do you think it's going? Is toss a big factor?
I think it's going to be a big factor. I think it's Dubai. I think we have to win the toss bat first, especially in ODI game. We've seen what's happened over the like years in Sharjah. Big matches, we have won the toss, fielded first and lost. Of course, the T20 the World Cup 2021 में हुआ, we batted first and lost, but that's a T20 game. ODI cricket में we saw the 2017 final also. I think if we bat first, I don't see India losing.
Yeah. Abhijit, आप how do you see? I mean, which way the match is going? You have now got Pakistan a bit into balance. आप क्या सोचते हैं?
I think it really doesn't matter. Pakistan don't have too many batsmen in that lineup. As Amit said, if your savior is Aga Salman, then Allah save your team actually. So I don't see there are too many people in the Pakistan team who can make a big score apart from Rizwan. I think Rizwan is the one quality player out there who braves it out in tough circumstances. Their bowling is definitely weakened, but it is our top order who basically shiver at the sight of a left-arm pacer coming, any left-arm pacer running towards them and throwing the ball. So I think our top order will stutter as usual. Their bowlers will, some of the couple of their pacers will be amongst wickets. Aga Salman will have an average game because he's the captain. He has to save his skin because after Pakistan losses, सबसे ज़्यादा गाली वही खाएगा. So he'll take a couple of wickets. He'll make some runs just good enough to save his skin. Babar will also just make enough runs so that he stays in the 11 because people forget even if Babar is playing test match cricket, boss, he's making more runs than the next three batsmen put together. So so Babar will still be, he knows he'll still continue to be in the team, but I think the fun will start. There will be tremendous pressure on Pakistan. We cannot rule out some external forces trying Pakistan to win so that that they stay alive in the tournament, but it is very, very unlikely scenario. And if Pakistan loses, we will, after that, the next game for India is New Zealand after a week, 7 days, I think. 7 days हमारे लिए बहुत मजा आएगा. After that we'll be seeing all chaos in Pakistan. Already कल पता चला कि साउथ अफ्रीका के 3 प्लेयर के किडबैक्स चोरी हो गया, किसका फोन चोरी हो रहा है, प्लेयर्स का चोरी. तो अभी तो पाकिस्तान हार जाएगा तब तो एंटायर कंट्री विल थिंक कि बस ये टूर्नामेंट आया था हमारे पास कि हम पैसा बनाए, पैसा तो बन नहीं रहा, जिसको जो लूटना है लूट लो, समथिंग लाइक दैट सिनेरियो बनेगा. सो इट विल बी अ ग्रेट साइट फॉर ऑल इंडियंस फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 वीक अज्यूमिंग इंडिया विन टुमारो.
यार हम लोग ये ऑफलाइन न्यूज के लिए इतना ये हो जाते हैं. बट एनीवेज, माय टेक इज वेरी सिंपल. मुझे ये लगता है कि यस, आई एग्री विद भास्कर के अगर टॉस जीत जाते तो बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है. आई थिंक इफ इंडिया विंस द टॉस एंड इलेक्ट टू बैट, देन पाकिस्तान तो खत्म में लग रहा है. मतलब ज्यादा चांस नहीं बनता. ओनली इन द सेकंड इनिंग्स अगर इंडिया बैट्स सेकंड, देन द मैच स्टेज अलाइव. But the other issue is also that how Pakistan, what is their mental makeup when they come into this match, and how do they play is going to determine themselves. So I think that try series में they had a real, they were pushed to the wall. 90 for 3 थे, तो Rizwan and Salman Agha played very very well, even because they still chased 350 in a very due kind of wicket and all, but still they did that. So ऐसा नहीं कि पाकिस्तान नहीं कर सकता करके, but what the few, I mean the क्या कहते हैं, sample size which you look at how they respond to such things is not so good. It's a very good point you brought in, that what जो मतलब इसमें हुआ था, मतलब इंडिया का दुबई में हुआ था जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान से हार गया था, नेक्स्ट मैच न्यूजीलैंड के साथ और बुरी तरह हार गया था. सो बिकॉज दे जस्ट कुडंट कम टू टर्म्स विद इट, राइट? सो ये इनके साथ भी हो सकता है, बट लेट्स होप फॉर अ गुड मैच. You are saying that it
See,
will be a, yes, yes,
Rajiv,
yes.
what happens is that, once you are playing in a do or die match, in that game you have to always be ahead of the game. The
Yeah.
moment you are slightly behind in that game, ना आप और पीछे होते रहोगे. So वो डर है.
Yeah, yeah. इनफैक्ट पाकिस्तान के लिए बेटर ये रहेगा कि एक्चुअली वो बॉलिंग पहला करें, क्योंकि देयर बॉलिंग इज देयर स्ट्रेंथ, सो दे कैन एक्चुअली कंट्रोल द मैच इफ दे नीड टू. लेकिन अगर वो विकेट नहीं ले पाए तो देन दे विल गो बिग बिग, बहुत पीछे हो
Yes.
जाएंगे गेम में, एंड देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कम बैक. सो वो एक बड़ा इशू है. बट अगर आप में दम है तो यू शुड गो फॉर फील्डिंग एंड से कि आई विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट दिस टू 230, 220, 230 एंड देन विन इट फ्रॉम देयर. So I don't know. I mean, it totally depends how they see it. बट आप ये जरूर मान के चलो कि 7वें 8वें ओवर में अक्षर पटेल बॉल लेके अंदर आ रहा है. जडेजा भी 12वें 13वें ओवर में वो भी आएगा, कुलदीप भी आएगा, मतलब स्पिन तो मिडिल ओवर्स में रहने ही वाला है. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. सो भास्कर, फाइनल थॉट्स, एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू से?
I think I disagree with you. I think Pakistan's best chance is to bat first, because we have seen that even previously, when if they get to say 270, 280, and then they get a couple of early breakthroughs, that's when they'll be charged up. I think then that's when you'll see the crowd backing the Pakistanis, and Pakistan is trying to get a few more wickets. I think Pakistan's best chance is to bat first, because if Pakistan field first and India score 270, 280, I think Rohit Sharma has the experience to really put the pressure, and I think it won't be very difficult for India to defeat them, provided there's no dew coming in. Dew aa gaya to everything changes. The whole
ड्यू नहीं आएगा,
situation changes.
ड्यू नहीं आएगा
So
क्योंकि
hope,
अर्ली स्टार्ट है,
yeah,
अर्ली स्टार्ट है.
yeah,
ड्यू
fine.
ड्यू
So I think
40th ओवर में आएगा, कहाँ से क्या फर्क
I
पड़ता है?
think I think anyone who is going to win the toss is going to bat first. I will be
Yeah,
very
yeah,
surprised if it goes the other way.
yeah,
Rajiv.
yeah. Avijit, any last comment? We have 30 seconds.
No, I think, if I just always recall that India versus New Zealand match 2021 World Cup, after India were pushed to the edge, we were taking a lot of unwanted risks. Ishan Kishan trying to hit Trent Bolt for a six, because in that situation, do or die, you have to always be ahead of the match. I think Pakistan will try to be ahead of the match tomorrow. They'll be under tremendous pressure, but they will be pushed back. And while India will have its own share of stuttering, India will edge ahead the match tomorrow, and Pakistan will be out tomorrow.
Great. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for doing this. Wonderful. And